So here's a quick video of the Vollebak. This is the Planet Earth t-shirt. I've actually had this about a year. I don't understand how I haven't got around to doing a quick review of it, but this t-shirt's a little bit unusual for Vollebak in that it's quite normal. Normally they have quite a few high-tech fabrics and various things that make their stuff rather unique, but what's kind of cool about this t-shirt is it's just a merino wool t-shirt. It comes in their colour Deadly Nightshade, which is kind of a purple, and I think it's kind of cool to see actually that I've had this for a year and it still looks absolutely great. So it's made from 100% ethically sourced merino wool. I think it's from Australia. It's got no elastane or anything in it, so it is literally 100% merino wool. And if it seems weird to talk about having a wool t-shirt, it's that time of year at the moment where some days it's hot and sunny, some days it's cool, kind of in between autumn and winter. And I often find you get these days where it's rainy and it's muggy and you're not quite sure what to wear. What I like about wool as a fabric is that it still keeps you warm even if it's wet. And often I can find if I'm running or I'm out hiking in the rain, no matter what you wear and do, you end up wet anyway. And so when I know it's that kind of environment, I tend to wear wool. So this is when I wear this, which is this kind of time of year. A couple of features that they've got, it's a bit unusual but very typically Vollebak actually. They've got these kind of air holes cut into around the armpits. If I turn it over, you can probably see on the back as well. They've put them into the back of the t-shirt as well. So across the top here there's 3, and then there's some going down the back as well, which it sort of helps with some airflow coming off the points where you get super hot. And you can see they're down by the armpit as well. So that kind of gives you an idea of some of the features of the t-shirt. But I've washed this a lot of times, and provided you wash it on 30 degrees, it's absolutely great. It hasn't bobbled. A lot of wool can get a bit ropey when it's been washed quite a few times and start to fray and bobble and look a little bit manky. But actually what I love about this t-shirt is it still looks great after about a year. I'd actually guess I've washed this about 20 or 30 times. On one occasion, because it feels and looks like a synthetic t-shirt, my wife actually threw it in the wash thinking it was a synthetic t-shirt and washed it at a very high temperature. It actually shrank a little bit and I was very upset, but just a very quick soak in conditioner, hair conditioner that you'd wash your hair with for about half an hour on cold, and then just a rewash on cold brought the shape and the size back again. So again, that's kind of a sign of a high quality fabric and a high quality product, that it's pretty resilient even when you make a mistake. So just to be very clear, I suggest washing this at 30 degrees or less. Do not tumble dry this, just leave it out to hang dry. But I'm really pleased with this t-shirt. I use it a lot in that kind of intermediary time between winter and spring, and also that time between autumn and winter when it's kind of damp and you're not quite sure what to wear. So there you go. I thought I'd give you a quick look. That's the Vollebak Planet Earth t-shirt.